We are headed for Texas. Just leaving Grand Junction, Colorado. And first stop, Delta, Colorado. Mile High Muscle. Pick up a 69 Chevelle. Go have it dipped. Hope you enjoy the ride. Mile High Muscle. Oh man, look at that Chevelle coming at me. So I'd say they're going to turn this one into that one.
This is the first time this car's ever been out of my sight in the last 30 years. So my dad bought this for me when I was in high school.
That's cool.
And then he took it away from me when I was in high school. That's why it's in one piece. That's why it was in one piece before we took it down.
You don't need that to hide.
Well, it was just a very good decision.
He's just a wise dad.
Very wise dad, yeah. This one's going to be, we're calling it a black cherry. It's going to be black, like black, black, black. And then when you look at it just right in the sun, that red will come out. We've got a sample in there and it looks really good. So. Yeah, this one, we're going to finish our final assembly on that 59 Vet. We got to get a set of tires for that truck, and it's done. This GTO, I just got done putting fuel injection on. The ignition switch will be here tomorrow, and then it's done. That Chevelle, we just rewired. That truck we built from the ground up. It's got a aftermarket chassis and a late model Mustang Coyote engine in it, so it's all Ford. 56 Ford. That 40 Ford there, we're putting a chassis under it, and then this little 64 C10, we're going to repaint it and do a couple things on the suspension for the customer. And then that little Camaro there has our SpeedTech Extreme chassis components under it. That Camaro was a collision job. We do insurance work too. I placed the whole right side quarter panel door fender. Someone hit him, so we repainted it. GTX, we're doing fuel injection on it. 57 Chevy, new rear end extension work, under Camaro, whole extreme setup under from SpeedTech. That Camaro that's out there, suspension from SpeedTech too, so it's Camaro Central around here.
So whenever I come over this pass, there's a natural spring. They've made it so that you can stop and get you some water. Since I always have a jug or two of water with me, I'm gonna grab one and get me some water. God, it's a gorgeous day for traveling. Absolutely gorgeous. I don't know whether it's good for you or not, but I'll take my chances. And we better do a once over on the trailer. Make sure things are looking good there. this in. That ain't going nowhere, right, Hillbilly? Always feel good. That ramp's good. Not too much heat coming out of those. And away we go. Well, getting down here close to Walsenburg, Colorado. Made it through the mountains. Came through some pretty good rain. And you can see how black it is off over that way. I think I'm going to be looking at what the weather's doing down in Texas. Planning to make it to Amarillo, somewhere around there tonight. That'll give me 6-ish hours tomorrow. Should be able to make it. Going good so far. Here we are, Amarillo. 6:30 in the morning. Stopped raining. That was some crazy freaking rain. I've never experienced rain like that. Hope I don't have to again, but it was interesting, that's for sure. Everything's still here. Things out. That's good. Doesn't look like anybody stole anything. Hooked up. Get the oil checked and we'll be on our way. Another 8 hours and we'll be there. Here we go. Looks like you know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
You do.
It's absolutely amazing what we get. We have just done 1947 Jaguar, which was the factory prototype for the 1948 Mark IV with the Scout, Chevy Novas, GTO. Very cool. 39, I think it's 39 Chevy. We also do blasting. Sometimes people want the frames blasted rather than dipped, so we've got a state-of-the-art Ingersoll Ram here, 185 rotary compression, control panel, LP gas, very carefully controlled temperature-wise. And we operate at 180 degrees Fahrenheit. The state-of-the-art latest Maxon blower, totally efficient at 44 feet. Insulated, 7,000 gallons, 22 feet long, 8 feet wide, 6'6" deep. It's the hot tank. It's totally alkaline. It is not acid like some people seem to think. Comes out, all the coatings are removed, the rust is killed. It's total immersion. It has got into the rockers, the A-pillars. We can blast if somebody wants it blast. Can't be total immersion. Comes out, goes into this shower, rinse, thoroughly rinsed to neutralize it. We used to dip the whole vehicle in the phosphate, but we found it better, like the Scout here, to do it by hand. We use a product that was developed in Houston. And we've tried everything to see how clean that is. When they come out, they quite often look like they're hand polished, but the edge darkens it grey. So you're ready for bodywork, any additions, modifications, fillets, strengthening, whatever, and primer. That will hold for 30 to 40 days, although we have got pieces outside that have been lying around for 2 years. That's pretty much it. Getting busy. That is a really rusty. The rust's all been killed inside and out, ready for her to paint it. Chevy Nova, not been etched yet. Here and there's a touch of flash rust. That will go when it's etched, almost like it's hand polished. So if you've ever had to sand a vehicle down or anything, you say, hey, no, I think I'll dip it.
Well, since I'm new at this, I forgot to shoot an outro when I got down there to do the delivery. So here I am doing it now. Had a pretty good run. Yeah, just shy of 1,200 miles. Burned about 100 gallons of fuel. Got it there safe and sound before I shut down. Gonna go meet with some friends north of Dallas. Spend tomorrow with them and then head for home after that on Sunday. Looks like clouds building, and I just got a notice for severe thunderstorms. Hopefully I don't get a repeat of last night, but I guess if I do, I do. All right, y'all. Thanks for riding along. Grand Junction, Colorado, down to Texas to deliver that 69 Chevelle. There you go. Thanks, y'all. We'll see you out there on the road, or the trail maybe next time. Catch you later.